Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add baggage on Eurowings Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen we have Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip, and Check-in. In the top right corner we have your profile and everything about it, and in the bottom of the screen we have the option where you can go and book a flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add baggage on Eurowings Airlines. So first of all, go to the website as I already told you, and then navigate to the My Trip section, which is in the top right corner, top screen, and click My Trip. Then here you need to find the option Add Baggage. So when you go there, you just need to go and find the, of course, option to add baggage. You can do, as you can see here, you can have the edit booking, check-in flights, and everything like that. So when you go there, you need to go and find that. After that, you need to go and find the add baggage. So basically you need to go and put in information about your flight. So I don't have a flight at the moment, but when you put information and check your flight there, you can go and add your baggage. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, till next time, bye guys.